Hey guys, my name is Doug with Infotainment.com. I want to show you guys real quick what we did to our infotainment Jeep here. We put the Katzskin leather seating kit in. As you can see, really nice quality. This is the K1318-100 kit. It came with just factory cloth. So we went ahead and installed the premium leather here. As you can see, this kind of makes or break the interior of the vehicle. Just looks really good, really nice quality on this kit. This is the sport model. It did come with a small screen radio. We went ahead and upgraded it to the 8.4 inch, the UAQ option code. So just a quick little snapshot of our infotainment Jeep here, the 2018 JL. So come check us out for some upgrades.